In this video, I'll demonstrate how to download RStudio and a couple different ways on how to add data to the program. So if you go to the RStudio download page and then scroll down a little bit, just determine which license type is best for your needs. For the example's sake, I'll choose this one. Be sure to follow the instructions here and know if you're using Windows, know whether it's 64-bit and that it's 7, 8, or 10. If it's another different type of platform, you'll end up needing a different installer, but R has those there for you. So click on this, save where you want the application to appear, and then once that finishes downloading, we'll open that and run it and choose where you would like the file to be or the program to be installed. And once you've completed that, you'll either go into your documents with wherever you've saved it and access the program. In this case, I have it here. Otherwise, you can, if you're using Windows, you can go down to the search bar and open it that way. I also have it pinned to my taskbar at the bottom. So once you open RStudio, you can change some of the options via here in appearance, pane layout, things like that. This will get it font, different editor theme that you'll be using. You can move the themes or you can use you move the panes around if you wish. But as far as adding data, there's a couple ways. Well, actually, there's many ways to do it. A few are you can set the working directory. So make sure you have the slashes the proper direction. You can enter the directory there with the set working directory call, and then read.csv will bring in a comma separated file. If it has a header, make sure that's set to true. If not, set it to false. You can also enter read table here for other formats, like if it's a text file, but ensure you have the extension in there. So now we can view that, and there it pops up, and here you can see the data has a header atop the columns. If we're using raster data, you can do it this way, and in this case, I'll set the working directory, install these 3 packages, and I already have them installed, and then use just the call raster, and then put the file in there in a similar manner as you would other data. I have sample raster now as an object, and if we image that, it pops up there pretty nicely, and we could manipulate the different axes and such. Another way is to use the file chooser option. So if we have read.csv and then we implement that right there, that brings up another window, and we can navigate to the proper file that way also and add it. So those are a few ways. There's plenty more ways to do it, but hopefully those are helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.